Expel Herbicide is one of quali-pro's newest products. This herbicide is aimed at controlling one of the most problematic types of weeds, sedges. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Expel is a selective post-emergent herbicide formulated with the active ingredient sulfentrazone. Sulfentrazone is in a group of herbicides commonly referred to as a PPO inhibitor. PPO is an enzyme involved in chlorophyll production, and blocking its activity leads to the accumulation of destructive molecules, which result in rapid destruction of pigments and membranes within susceptible plants. Expel is absorbed by roots and leaves. Contacted susceptible weed leaves typically wither and brown within 24 to 48 hours, and newly emerging plants exposed in the soil yellow and die soon after being exposed to light. Expel controls both yellow and purple nutsedge and green kyllinga with rapid results you can see and believe. Activity below the surface also results in reduced sedge populations over time. Expel's activity goes beyond just sedges and can also provide rapid results on over 50 weed species. Expel is gentle and well tolerated on most warm and cool season turf grasses. Expel is labeled for use in commercial and residential grass, athletic fields, commercial sod farms, and golf courses. Please visit www.quali-pro.com to explore the broadest, most economical portfolio in the turf industry.